Hi, and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll share my thoughts on Proton VPN. Before we dive in, let me give you a quick introduction to Proton VPN. The company Proton was created in 2014 by scientists at CERN, the European Organization for Nuclear Research. They first created Proton Mail, which you may know, before developing Proton VPN, which was launched in 2017. Proton VPN was designed with the same mission as Proton Mail to ensure data security and user privacy. Proton is headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. Today, Proton VPN has more than 8,200 servers in 112 countries. This means you can connect to the internet virtually from almost anywhere in the world. Over time, Proton VPN has built a reputation for security and anonymity. It is indeed a very powerful VPN with military-grade encryption, DNS leak protection, and a strict no-log policy audited by Securitom. Let's take a moment to focus on this point. The security experts at Securitom, a leading European security auditing company that supervises over 300 security testing projects each year for large enterprises, found no major security issues during the audit. Moreover, Proton's application code is entirely open source, and their security is reinforced by their bug bounty program, which allows security researchers worldwide to test and identify potential vulnerabilities. This approach ensures total transparency and encourages continuous improvement of Proton's product security, providing greater trust to its users. The results of this audit are crucial because they allow for independent verification of the commitments Proton makes regarding privacy and security. They give users the confidence that they can trust Proton VPN, a very good point. As mentioned earlier, Proton is based in Switzerland, allowing users to benefit from some of the strictest data protection laws in the world. Let's continue with the presentation. As you can see here, Proton VPN is available on Windows, macOS, Linux, iOS, and Android. There are also extensions for Chrome and Firefox. You can also use it on a smart TV, a gaming console, or even a router. You can use it on up to 10 devices simultaneously. If you don't yet have Proton VPN and want to try it, I invite you to use the link vpn-club.com/proton to take advantage of a special offer, 74% off. Proton VPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can try it for several weeks and then request a refund if you're not satisfied. Here is the app, which is quite modern. You can choose a country from which you want to simulate a connection from this list or this map. There are numerous countries, in Europe of course, the UK, Ireland, France, Germany, Spain, Italy, in North America, the US, Canada, Mexico, in South America, Brazil, Argentina, in Asia, Japan, South Korea, and in Oceania. There is, of course, a search function to search for a specific country, for example. In this list, you can simply click on a country to connect, or you can choose a specific server by clicking here. Let's talk about the servers in more detail. Proton VPN has 10 GB servers that transfer data very quickly. With the advent of 5G technology, they ensure their infrastructure is ready for all their users' needs. That's why they made this choice. No speed limits, no bandwidth limits either, of course. You can stream and download without any restrictions. Now I'll give you a quick demo. As you can see here, my IP address ends in 128 and locates me in France. I start Proton VPN. I choose a location in the country list. The UK, for example. I click here. It's connecting. It only takes a few seconds. Done. The VPN is now active. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the UK. I refresh this page. And as you can see, my IP address now ends in 146 and locates me in the UK. Proton VPN has successfully hidden my real IP address and replaced it with a British IP address. I'll disconnect. Let's take a look at the options and settings. There is a kill switch, which disables the internet in case the VPN connection drops to avoid an accidental IP address leak, recommended when downloading via peer-to-peer. Another unique feature, Proton VPN offers a secure core option to route your most sensitive data through their most secure servers in privacy-respecting countries, as well as an ads and malware blocker called NetShield. In the connection settings, you have the choice between several protocols, OpenVPN of course, but also WireGuard and Stealth. If you don't know which protocol to use, just select Smart and Proton VPN will make the choice for you. In the advanced settings, you'll find a split tunneling option to exclude an application or IP address from the VPN traffic or include only specific applications. You'll find other advanced options, such as port forwarding, DNS leak protection, IPv6 traffic leak protection. In short, there is something to satisfy all types of users, from beginners to advanced ones. You also have the option to create profiles, to connect to a country or even a specific server with a specific protocol every time you use that profile. Let's talk about the price. As you can see here, you can get a subscription for just $3.59 per month. If you choose a 24-month plan, there are cheaper options, but this is very affordable, a very good value for money. Be sure to use the link vpn-club.com/proton to take advantage of this special offer. If you prefer a monthly subscription, it will cost you $9.99 per month. There is also a 12-month plan at $3.99 per month. So, should you subscribe to Proton VPN? Proton VPN is a highly efficient VPN with a strict no-log policy audited by a leading European security audit firm. It's very efficient and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. I really like Proton VPN for several reasons. The interface, which is modern and quite easy to use, the number of countries, the speed of the servers. It's a very effective VPN for bypassing geo-blocks. It's hard to say if Proton VPN is better than the other VPNs I recommend, as they are so close to each other. What I suggest is that you try it for yourself. Proton VPN offers a 30-day trial in the form of a money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any restrictions, and then request a refund if this VPN doesn't suit you. So it's absolutely risk-free for you. To give it a try, visit vpn-club.com/proton or click the link below this video. Remember, with this link, you'll get a 64% discount. This way you can try it with peace of mind and decide if Proton VPN is the VPN you need. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know a bit more about Proton VPN. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below and I'll respond as soon as possible. If you liked this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thank you and see you next time.